Hi everyone, this is Neeti Mohan and keep watching BollywoodHangama.com. Faridun.
Well, we have this fabulous singer Neeti Mohan, who is the voice of Bombay Velvet, and that too here in Goa. Neeti, wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hangama first of all.
Thank you so much, Faridun.
I think incredible performance yesterday at the concert. So, how do you feel that you were singing in front of, I think, a very strong media contingent? So, were you nervous at all?
This was the very first time I had this opportunity to sing 5 songs in front of huge, like biggest of media that we have in the country, and
Right.
it was a great experience. I was a little nervous, obviously,
Right.
but when you start feeling for the songs more, and when you know that that is a higher goal,
Right.
then the nervousness escapes. You know, it just goes away.
Somewhere it was, I think, the team as well. It was quite a, I think, comfortable atmosphere.
Yes.
And be the director, producer, or the music composer, everyone was, I think, quite comforting as well. Does that help?
It's been an incredible experience for me overall, if I see. And Amit is a very chilled out person to work with, and Amitabh also. So we have worked as a team on this project, and Anurag Kashyap, and everybody they were more about getting the whole soundtrack right for the film, because it demands that, it needs that. So from day one the focus was to sound like Rosie Norona, who is the 60s jazz singer, who is the voice जिसको पूरा Bombay niche Bombay crowd सुनने आता है. So the whole objective was to achieve that, and उस process में बहुत मज़ा आया, because I got to discover so many voices, so many singers जो मैंने सुने नहीं थे अभी तक.
Also, like in terms of preparing.
Yeah, so we had to do a lot of work, like a lot of research work.
Absolutely, must have. Yesterday, when you and Anushka were just, I think, doing that Jugal Bandi on Dharam Dharam, I think a very interesting idea as well, that live lip syncing taking place. But at the end of it, I think both of you had tears in your eyes. So, and I think that song has, I think, a lot of value for you in your personal life as well. So, first of all, about the yesterday thing with Anushka and the entire emotional element that both of you guys felt for the song.
I think Dharam Dharam is a very unique song. You don't get to sing a song this emotion and with this much of intensity normally in films.
Sure.
We do have pathos, we do have a lot of requirement of sad songs in Bollywood, but this was like eventually breaking down on the mic as a singer, and this was the first time I experienced something like this. So, and Anushka also watched me closely, and she observed and prepared her part very well.
Right.
to do this song. So that's why now we did this with so much of passion that now it's part of us. Every time we'll collaborate and do a Dharam Dharam, even she gets into this emotional space, I get this emotional space, we just get into this emotional space and get very emotional, and that's what happened. We ended up crying.
Do you feel, is it a nice feeling that someone like Anushka Sharma saying that Neeti Mohan is one of the finest artists that we have in India today? So, is it encouraging?
It's very sweet of her to say that,
Right.
because obviously the kind of work she has done, and her range of work is incredible, like the kind of films she's done, NH10 and Band Baja Barat, and I think if she has said something like this, that I'm one of the finest talent in the country, is very humbling, and but she's just so easy to work with. I think that has been an incredible experience to work with.
You were going through a personal, I think, sort of situation as well, and Amit wanted you to just delve into that aspect of your life when you had a certain heartbreak, and I believe he locked you in a dark room for more than an hour and just asked you to just just get into that emotion. So is it the first time that you've experienced like in a method way of singing a song?
I think we've heard of method acting.
Right.
This was first time method singing happened, and I've loved being one of those people जिसके ऊपर ये experiment हुआ है. तो बहुत मज़ा आया. I was locked in a room and I was left alone, and the whole point was to just dwell into this emotion even more and get into the layers of pain जो धड़ाम धड़ाम में आना था. तो it was challenging but interesting.
Could you have a couple of lines from Dharam Dharam for us if possible?
You know what? मुझे हमेशा challenge लगेगा because this song needs a lot of preparation.
Sure.
अभी इतनी sunlight में आसपास swimming pool दिख रहा है. It's बच्चों की चीखने की आवाज़ आ रही है. I cannot feel धड़ाम धड़ाम like that, but I can sing the tune.
So any other songs from Bombay Velvet that you'd like to sing for us?
Sure, I'll sing मोहब्बत बुरी बीमारी लगी तुझे तो तेरी जिम्मेदारी. मोहब्बत बुरी बीमारी ये बेरहम जिसको काटे पानी नहीं दारू वो मांगे. घर से खुदा को हटा के महबूब की तस्वीर टांगे. वो लगती है हल्की पड़ती है भारी, लगती है हल्की पड़ती है भारी, पड़ती हम मोहब्बत बुरी बीमारी लगी तुझे तो तेरी जिम्मेदारी.
Beautiful, beautiful. Nikki, this is an observation. Yesterday when you were performing, I think you are incredibly beautiful as well, apart from being a gifted singer. So at any point of time, can you see you turning like a singer actor as well? Would you like to act in front of? Because I think you have that all those drama element into you, where you just perform as well.
I think I'm okay behind the mic for now. I get to do
for acting.
No,
Not yet.
no, I haven't, and I'm happy singing behind the mic and acting behind the mic. It's more fulfilling for me.
Naak Pe Gussa is another song which is I think very interesting. Sylvia I think is something which is very interesting because it's having like a real life situation.
Yeah.
So what was the entire process for singing these songs? And these are not conventional Hindi film songs.
Yeah, like I said, Bombay Velvet entire soundtrack is very conventional, right from lyrics to the delivery of the song, tunes, everything. Right. Sylvia was very interesting. I had to be a bit angry and a bit हर गाने का जो ब्रीफ था was इसमें नाक पे गुस्सा में मैं मना भी रही हूँ और थोड़ा सा serenade भी कर रही हूँ. Then Sylvia में you are just angry. I'm the voice of the society. Why did you do this, Sylvia? So I'm that. So I had to feel like that. जब आप काका काका गा रहे हैं तो that's the most central song in the film.
Yeah.
So earlier it was supposed to be the song where Ranbir listens to Anushka for the first time. So the song starts like ए तुमसे मिली तो प्यार का सीखा है का खा गा घा. So the A had to be like most central thing ever. So Anurag Kashyap in the studio is like 15 बार A बोलो, मुझे उसमें से मैं best A 20 times we had to do, and then he got the right A.
Anushka told me that I think Neeti Mohan has this unique ability that if she's singing like a sensual number, I think she was referring to this, I believe, and she can just turn you on with her mere voice quality. Do you think it's a wonderful compliment?
I think it's a wonderful compliment because if I, as a vocalist, as a singer,
Right.
if I'm supposed to turn somebody on, I should. I should be able to do it. And if Anushka felt it, then you know, that's great.
Niti, how do you look at your Bollywood journey so far? You've had some really successful Hindi film songs. So how do you look back at that?
I look back when I look back at my musical journey, it's been really fulfilling, and I'm growing, you know, as a vocalist, as a singer. Each day, each song which I'm getting to sing is so different, and I think this is the best you can ask for as a vocalist, to be challenged in each song and to be given a different genre each time, like right from Ishq Wala Love, GRA, Saadi Gali with Ayushmann, India Wale, Bang Bang, Tumhe Mari Entriyan, Dar Badar from City Lights, and you know, there are all the Har Kisi Ko Nahi Milta from Boss. All the songs have been very different, so I feel nice that I'm happy that I'm one of those singers who can sing in different genres, and I'm offered such songs also. And I hope I can do that. I continue to sing interesting songs and different, not just get stuck in one genre.
Okay, and I think all the songs that you mentioned, they are extremely successful, and they're extremely wide as well. Do you have some sort of Indian classical training?
Yes, I've been training since childhood, and not under one guru, because I was in a boarding school.
Okay.
So there the music teacher was very fond of me. She knew that I would stay back in the school for an hour extra, and I'll come early and learn something from her. So she would always teach me some interesting songs, light classical and this and that. So right from there, I noticed that singing was not just a hobby, it was serious. I used to take it very seriously. And so I've been training in Indian music, and I love Indian music. I feel we are so blessed to have rich music, you know, in our countries. And I would always continue to learn. You cannot finish that in one lifetime.
Absolutely, and if you are well versed with Indian classical, then I think you can sing in almost any form of music anywhere in the world.
Yeah, because I think it's so intricate, and the detailing is amazing. And like हर राग का एक समय होता है, एक टाइम होता है. So when you have all of that, that means we pay so much importance to time and emotions, and you know, our music is like that. And उसको फिर कितना dwell करते हैं उस पे, and how much we can elaborate on that. It's amazing. I think not every music is like that.
You are, I think, a very successful performing artist as well. We've seen why, for example, because I think you're extremely comfortable on stage. What do you enjoy more, recording songs or performing for a live audience? I
love both, because I think that's a different department, if I would say. Being on stage is totally a different mindset for me. I know that I'm going and I have to entertain these people, and I have to sing, dance with them, make them sing. So that's a different department. And when you are in a studio, when you are doing a session with a composer, it's totally different thing. You are creating a song, like, you know, we are all bringing our own ideas, like right from the lyricist to the music director to the director of the film, and as a vocalist, all of us are bringing the best ideas to form a song. And once it's set, then all of us have agreed that, wow, yeah, this is what we like, this is how our song should be. And then when we perform that live, we replicate that, because that becomes the soul and the content of the song.
Fantastic. So Niti, we would like to end this by, if you can maybe, you know, just sing a brief collage of your most personal favorite hit songs from Bollywood. The way you, I think, must be doing in your live shows.
Okay. So my journey has begun with Ishq Wala Love, and Vishal Shekhar are very, very important, you know, in my career. I feel they have given me, I'm part of many of their soundtracks, and they are incredible, and I'm a huge fan of them as people and as composers. So Ishq Wala Love will always be special for me, because Like how in Student of the Year there were 3 people launched, I feel I am one of those who was launched in Student of the Year, you know. Like how Alia, Siddharth and Varun were launched in Student of the Year. As a singer, I think I was launched in that. So, Surkh wala, soz wala, faiz wala love, hota hai jo love se zyada, वैसे वाला love, ishq wala love.
Beautiful. You know, my request was, I was getting a bit greedy and slightly smart as well. My request was that basically like a
mashup.
Bouquet, yeah, mashup.
Okay,
sort of.
cool. Let me do that. I'll
Because
try.
your fans
Because they all are different songs, but I'll try.
Yeah.
So, Surkh wala, soz wala, faiz wala love, hota hai jo love se zyada, वैसे वाला love, ishq wala love. चली रे जुनू को लिए, कतरा कतरा लम्हों को पिए, पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिकरा, खुदी से मैंने इश्क किया रे, हा जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ ओ ओ, तेरी मेरी रातों ने किए हैं कुछ इरादे, मिली हैं जो अब ये मुलाकातें, कोई जादू होने को है, होना है जो होना है, रहेगा हो के ही होता है, जो मिल जाता है कोई होगा ये जाना मैंने मिलके तुमसे ही. Are you feeling it tonight? Feeling it tonight? Bang bang रात भर बात कर, तू मेरे साथ चल, दिल पे चला है जादू जाने क्यों. Bang bang कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले.
Fantastic. That is a brilliant performance by Neeti Mohan exclusively for Bollywood Hungama. Thank you very much, and we genuinely hope that I think Bombay Velvet proves a turning point in a way for you as well, because many a times what happens is that the songs become very popular and then maybe the singers एक general in terms of media and general terms उनको इतना शायद नहीं पता चल पाता है, but I think because of this, the way you are being at the forefront of the entire thing and the artists talking about you as well, I'm sure that it can be like a turning point for you, and I hope that it happens, and looking forward to many more exciting stuff from you in the future, and all the best wishes. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for you.
Thank you very much.
Such a pleasure.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.